Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm sharing another simple and delicious recipe made with fresh produce harvested straight from the garden. There's something incredibly satisfying about turning homegrown vegetables into a healthy meal, and today's roasted zucchini and potatoes are packed with flavor and so easy to make. The star of today's recipe is this beautiful zucchini that I harvested from my allotment. Homegrown zucchini is so tender, fresh, and naturally sweet. If you've been growing zucchini, you'll know how rewarding it is to pick them at just the right size before they become too large. After washing the zucchini thoroughly, I sliced and cut it into chunky pieces. For this recipe, it is advisable to cut the zucchini into chunky pieces in order to hold up its shape after roasting it in an oven. I also prepared some potatoes, which I chopped into bite-sized pieces so they'll roast evenly. Then everything goes into a baking dish with a generous drizzle of olive oil and some seasonings. For extra protein and texture, I'm adding cooked chickpeas. For seasoning, I'm using some sea salt, oregano, rosemary, and some dried thyme. Feel free to use your favorite herbs and spices, but keep it simple and don't overwhelm the fresh zucchini and potato with too much of seasonings. I give everything a good mix to make sure every piece is well coated. Now it's ready for the oven. I roast everything until the potatoes are beautifully golden, the zucchini is tender with slightly caramelized edges, and the chickpeas become lightly crisp. Once it comes out of the oven, I finish it with freshly chopped scent leaves and coriander. The fresh herbs add wonderful color and bring a lovely burst of freshness that complements the roasted vegetables perfectly. If you like, you can also add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice before serving for an extra layer of flavor. This meal is simple, healthy, and incredibly satisfying. The potatoes are soft on the inside and crispy around the edges. The zucchini is tender and full of flavor, and the chickpeas add a delicious bite. Enjoy it with some garlic yogurt, tahini sauce, or any sauce of choice. If you like this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and let me know how you like to cook zucchini. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another harvest or easy garden recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy gardening and happy cooking!